Shopify POS. The ins and outs. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to set up an online shop and sell your products. What is Shopify POS? Shopify POS allows you to use your Shopify account for point of sale. This system lets you sell in person at a physical shopfront, pop-up shop, or trade show. Continue watching to find out how Shopify POS could benefit your business. How does Shopify POS work? Shopify POS can be downloaded onto your iOS and Android devices. After it is set up, you are able to add products and process payments through the app. You can connect a Shopify POS hardware package to your physical storefront. This includes a barcode scanner and receipt printer, as well as a cash drawer. Shopify POS integrates seamlessly with your Shopify account. All of your inventory can be synchronized in real time, so you know exactly what is in stock regardless of whether you sell online or in person. Shopify POS orders are automatically added to Shopify accounts so that you can track everything from one place. What are the benefits of Shopify POS? Shopify POS is a great tool for small businesses. It makes selling in person easier and more efficient. It's easy to track inventory for both your brick and mortar and online stores from one place. To get answers to your questions, click the link below. Shopify POS also allows you to sell wherever you want. You can sell anywhere you are, whether you're at a trade show or pop-up shop. As long as the app is installed on your phone or tablet, you can immediately start selling. Shopify's platform will make it easy to open a physical shop if you decide to do so. Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system that integrates seamlessly with Shopify. It is very easy for you and your employees to learn. Shopify POS allows you to sell in person with no hassle and gives you the freedom to do so from any location. You don't have to worry about inventory being out of stock or not being able to sell enough. Are you ready to give it a shot? For a demonstration, click below.